Yes, guys, so I really want to try my hand on this recording software and see how it works. Alright, this is my first time trying to use it. So let's see how it goes. We are in the volatility is 75, and then let me show you what my premise is so far. Um, this is on the let me go to the time frame that is so convenient and so easy identifiable to all of us. Okay, yes, so this is the H4 time frame. We saw price, doing its own thing. Prior to this, this was the high that actually took down. Um, this was the price point or the high that took down all the what's the name? The high that actually made us know that there was a shift in market structure. All right. So this is at this point. This at this point, yes, this point was where we saw that there was a shift in market structure. All right. So prior to this was this short-term low. Okay, so from this point, from this short-term low stemming down to this um, low here that went up to take down the short-term the long-term high here. Okay, we are going to do some analysis and see how where our next trade premises. You know, that after each movement, you see that you find out that price consolidate at this point. So from this high to this high, price, let's say we've seen some sort of consolidation around this area. The next thing that's going to happen is that from this place to this place, we're going to have another movement from this low to another high that is equally going to be of, let's say, equal. um let me just go to the chart and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we have market moving from give me what should I use? Okay, give me this grid box. Okay, let me just use a rectangle. So from this low to this particular point, price go here, and then it came to consolidate. And during the consolidation, this is the long-term high here, as identified under here. So my next trade bias is that price is coming all the way to this point. All right, price is coming all the way to this point. So price is coming to trade all the way to this point. So if you can find a trade setup here within this area, um that should be your target. Okay, this should be your target. And when you go further, you realize that the target lies somewhere here. Okay, so let me also go back to the chart and show you if there's any entry point here. And what do we see today on the chart? So this is just a test run for my software, my recording software, to see how best it works. All right, so let's see. On this time frame, we had the market doing some sort of, after this long term, sorry, after this um uh, okay, so after this long term high, after this long term high, price actually came down, and then it came here to form a short term low, came here to form another short term, and then it's this is actually not considered a short term low, by the way. So it's traded up, price traded up today, and this high has been broken by this level. Okay, so but it is still considered a short term low. So now, if we found a short-term low and we have a long-term high. A short-term high here and a short-term another short-term high here. Because this is the long term, so this is long-term high, okay, and this is long-term low. These ones are they are just interim, okay, and then this one doesn't also I don't consider this as an interim low, but it has to be, you know. So this short-term low here, sorry, this short-term high has traded down to form another long-term low, which was supposed to trade up, and it traded up. This traded up and actually took down the short-term high here, but it is also still enemy attempt low, enemy attempt high, short-term high. Okay, and it's traded down because this is a long-term low. It can't just break. If it breaks this level, it doesn't work. So what they had to do was that they had to trade into a particular point, and then the next agenda is that it's going to continue up. When you go down to the smaller time frame, you realize that there's some block that um let me zoom out and show you something here. When you put the candle, this line here, you realize that this point is actually um is the mean threshold. Where this blue line is the mean threshold of this particular um, bearish candle here. And initially I was expecting price to reverse from this point, but I mean the previous 4-hour candle actually traded through, you know. And what it means is this. What it means is this. I'm actually expecting that price shouldn't close below this zone. All right, price shouldn't close below the H4 candle now. Shouldn't close below this zone. If it closes below this zone, it shows me that I'm going in for a sell to take down all these lows here. All right, all this low. Let me highlight the area. Good. So if price should, then that would mean what it is. But if should price close within this area, what it means is that we are going to go for buy. Why? Because the buyers had already framed their buying trades here. This was just a down push candle to form the other block, you know. But actual fact, this is actually where the buyers actually came in strong to buy, you know. So I'm expecting that price should close within. This is where we have the volume for the buyers. Okay, this area is where we have volume for buyers. So the buyers are here in their numbers. So I'm expecting that price should close within this zone. And then the next thing is we are looking to going in for our kill to target this point. All right. So basically that is it that I see on the chart. All right, let me go down to the smaller time frame so that you can see for yourself what where price how price was actually reversed, you know. This is the 2-hour time frame. Now I need a smaller time frame, like the 30 minutes time frame. That's where we'll see a lot of the stuff that I want to show you. Okay, so this is the 30 minutes time frame. So you can clearly see that price has bounced off from there is this other block here, and this side is the mean threshold. So this side, this other block, where is the mean threshold? This is the mean threshold of this other block, and price was rejected from that zone. Price traded actually into it at this point, and then it got bounced, you know. Yeah, so let me just put it here so you can see clearly, and then so on and so on, so on and so on and so forth. Come down to this level. This is the mean threshold of this other block. You could see the price traded and hit it exactly, and it got bounced. Okay, all right. Here price traded into, but we are now considering the body. Price closed on top of the block. So basically, you should know that uh, we were on track. So this is a short-term low that, I mean, the price that had gone to take all the highs had to come and take down the short-term lows. So you know, my mentor is so blessed. He teaches so well. You know, he's always telling you that external liquidities, and we are looking at internal liquidity. When price is just taking external liquidities and it will come down and take internal liquidity. This is an internal liquidity that was created. Okay, so that price will just come and read it. That's all, and we are good to go. All right. So basically, that is all there is on the market now. Um, so now I've created a Telegram channel that I want to be sharing the signals there and sharing my trade setups and all that, so that as many as possible can also be blessed and then um enjoy. I mean, basically, I don't have any wild intentions and motives. All right, so basically that is it. So I'm expecting price to close within this range, within this zone, sorry, and then I am good to go for my buy. All right. So basically that is it, guys. I wish you all the best in your trading. Um, is there any other thing I've left out? Maybe I think I'll discuss in my next video. All right. So I actually posted a video as I told you that I was going to show you what we call the three phase, um the accumulation stage, the manipulation stage, and the redistribution. Okay, I'll talk about that in the next video. This is basically a try for my recording software, and I'm hoping to get you some more nice videos. All right. Okay. All right. Wish you all the best. Subscribe and share for others to join. Have a nice evening.